Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi, and we're going to be using a kit from Winterfield Studios. This kit is so pretty. I can't believe how much Lana from Winterfield Studios puts in her kits. There is just so much that I dare you to find that you're lacking for anything in the kit. It's just so full. Also, I'm going to show you, I am a PR for the company. This is my freebie, and you get this by using my code JODY for 20% off, and then you'll get this with your order. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put this washi down. It is so pretty with the pumpkins. I got myself a new lighting setup, and I'm not as close to the planner as I was before, so hopefully I can manage to do this and keep you in frame without moving you too far out. Last week was a fiasco. I tried using a different planner, a different light. This is a new ring light, so you can also see that the angle has changed on my filming, so now you're straight down, which is nice. It's a cleaner shot. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Let's get the top washi in as well. So boy, oh boy, has the weather changed in Canada, or where I am anyway. It is chilly today. I tried to sit out for a little bit with my little girl, my little dog. You know, I always talk about Gidget. And boy, it was brisk. I was all bundled up in sweaters because I refused to put a coat on. It's far too early for one of those. But we managed to sit out for a little bit. Not long though. I tell you, that was not going to happen today. Get the date strip in. It's probably a little bit warmer in your neck of the woods. It's hard to say though. It's supposed to warm up again next week. But you didn't come on here for a weather report, even though I seem to give you one every week. This is such a pretty kit. I love it. I had spoke to Lana about doing some fall kits, and she just comes out with the most beautiful stuff. You know, you just give her an idea and she runs with it. I'm going to put this checklist here. Normally I would put little boxes in this spot, but she's got this great checklist so I can track my dinners here in the checklist. And then that enables me to use a lot more of the functional stuff in the kit. I'm going to put, this is my theme box. It says Fall Harvest. I'm going to put that right up at the top here. Try and get it centered and straight. There. Now, she's got all these wonderful habit trackers. 5 of them, can you believe it? 5 of them in the kit. Trying to get these laid down straight. I generally track my health in this planner. I use it for my day-to-day planner, and then my checklists are more for my health. Keep it all in one spot. Lana just announced her new PR team. We added a bunch of amazing girls. So you'll have to look forward to, if you follow me on Jody Cake on Instagram, you'll see some of them linked with me. You'll see all of the new kits that are coming out. She's got some really fun ones set to go. Some winter kits are coming to the shop. Have you been out to the pumpkin patches at all this year? Boy, that one. See, I almost got them all done, and I had to get a crooked one. Oh well. Almost. There. That's better. let's put these boxes, I think I'm just going to put them the way that they're on the page. I like to stagger them a little bit. Oops, sorry if you can hear that. It's a very loud truck going by. I'm manhandling these off of the page. Boy, there we go. Oh, you can hear Gidget. She sees somebody out the window. I'm going to be a watchdog now. There we go. I don't know what to talk about today, guys. Everybody's back in school. A lot of people are back to work. I was talking to a little local restaurant to us, and he said that things are still struggling. Not a lot of people are coming back into the restaurants, which is sad because, you know, in a small community like ours, we don't have that many restaurants to begin with. So, you know, you always hope that people in the community will support them, keep them in business. I think he's actually the only one that's actually opened for sit down in the restaurant. Most of them are still takeout in the area. Okay, let me get this one last one in. And then we'll put the checklists in. For that, I will use my trusty tweezers. Oh boy, I got stuff stuck all over them now, all over my fingers. I stagger these as well when I stagger these full boxes. Have you switched to comfort foods yet? I've been all about the comfort foods this past week. Getting into fall. It's funny how our diets change when we get into the different seasons. In the summer we tend to eat lighter and want salads and light meals. And then when it gets cooler out, as soon as you hear the word fall, you start with the soups and the stews and pastas and whatnot. At least I do. I eat by the season. Hope the lighting's better. It's a little bit brighter for me. I struggled with the other light and the other filming angle so much before this. I'm quite happy about it. There we go. I just realized I didn't bring anything up to plan with. I brought my book up and that was it. Monday I have to go and get some blood work done, so I'm going to put one of these full boxes in, or one of these little boxes. There. Switched to a new doctor and he would like me to do some blood work. There's nothing wrong, we're just checking the numbers. I'm vegan, so we need to keep a hand on what my levels are like for my vitamins. Just putting in some deco now. Lana always includes the cutest deco in the kits. Put the little tractor in. That's so cute. And put some pumpkins in the top. There. I think it turned out so cute. So this is the pumpkin picking kit, or pumpkin patch kit, excuse me, from Winterfield Studios. It also comes in a large scene kit. It's stunning. So you'll find the link to the shop below. as in all the other shops that I PR for. You'll see my codes. And remember, if you put Jody, you get 20% off of your order and you receive my freebie. So have a great day. Thanks for visiting. Once again, I appreciate each and every one of you. And please, if you take a moment to like my video, because it means a lot to my channel. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next videos come out. Thanks very much. Bye now.